What's about to happen in Bitcoin world that's got everyone so intrigued and that possibly could be contributing to this recent surge?
So the level of issuance of Bitcoin was determined by the software in 2009 to be at a decreasing rate over the subsequent 100 or so years. And so if you think about today, 3,600 Bitcoin are issued every day. As of next month, it'll be more like 1,800 a day. So the fact that there's going to be less issuance every day also means less supply is going to hit the market every day, and that'll possibly have a positive effect on the price of Bitcoin.
So people have known about this schedule forever. So how much of the recent surge, I mean, it's really taken off in the last few weeks, would you attribute to this, and how much is other stuff, and what might that other stuff be?
I actually think this is a relatively small part because if you think about the impact on supply, it's less than 10% of the daily supply of Bitcoin comes from the actual issuance. And so the other factors like capital flight from China, speculation in China, people seeing Bitcoin as an alternative to gold, as a stable, safe haven asset, I'd say those are impacting the price of Bitcoin even more. But this is helping with this current cycle of hype.
Yeah, let's take a look. We have this chart on here. I don't know whether it's specious or meaningful. It shows Bitcoin surging at the same time Chinese currency is weakening. How much activity is coming out of China right now? How much is China what's really driving the show here?
A lot of it. A lot of the Bitcoin transactions are processed in China on Chinese transaction processors. A lot of the activity happens in Chinese exchanges. I'd even say a majority of transactions happen there. I'd say most of the economic activity happens outside of China, but most of the processing and speculation happens in China. So there is a connection there, and it impacts the short-term prices of Bitcoin quite a bit.
Now, you said speculation. So is that a distinction between, say, using Bitcoin as a way of getting around capital controls?
Yeah, both of them, I think, are very important factors in China. The more people want to get capital out, Bitcoin is a convenient way to do it. You buy Bitcoin in China, you can take it out in any other country and put it in a bank account there and either circumvent or just fly under the radar in terms of Chinese regulation.
All right.
So that's a factor.
All right.